Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for visiting. Today, I'm going to get to grinding the valves and washing the head and hopefully getting it ready for painting. Stay tuned, enjoy. I've just blocked off the inlet to the head here with some foam, and I'm going to pour some hot caustic solution in there to clear out the water channels. So there's a little caustic bath. I don't know how much that helped, but there's lots of stuff that was blasted out by the hose, and I think I'm going to get to grinding the valves. The procedure for grinding the valves is to take a little bit of grinding paste, put it onto the edge of the valve, put the valve in, and then use your electric drill on the end of the valve and go slowly clockwise then anti-clockwise as I've been demonstrating. Good, so now we do 11 more. I'm going to start day 2 of valve grinding. This valve, that valve in there, seat was ground yesterday evening. So you can see that's sort of a dull grey, and that's kind of a shiny grey. So you want it to get dull and take out all of the marks. Let's go. That look after its first petrol wash. I'm going to get some more just so that I can clean out all of the passageways with petrol so that everything's nice and clean, and then it'll be ready for painting. Dad just told me that he's found some American threads. Okay, and then he's cut this piece out of here that was damaged, so that's going to be replaced with this little piece. Jobs. And then here's the chain cover, which goes on the opposite side underneath. But also nicely powder coated in a cream. This thing, by the way, is the engine mount. So we think this thing's rubber disintegrated and then was just rubbing against the chassis. Here's the chart that you can look up the sizes. It's nicely pasted up in my dad's garage. This is the baby shit brown we managed to come up with. I don't know so much. To try and match this color. Nope. Oh, we got a new pair of gloves. Super grip nitrile to grip my stuff. Nice. Jackson garage. Assembly time. So after a failed attempt at mixing a nice brown from a dark brown, I'm going to assemble this with the primer and then paint after this thing is assembled, just so that they're not bits and pieces lying around all over the place. Exhaust goes in. Boom. It's nice times 12. Great. All nicely closed up with spark plugs. Yay, look how shiny that is. Even finished her. Nice. That concludes a successful day of engine building. More tomorrow.